sister doesn't know what's in this box, but we're gonna see if she can taste what's in the box. Okay, taste the first one. Just follow the hole.
All right, I'm gonna do this one because it's closest to me. Okay, tell me if
You're in it.
Okay, I'm in it.
Yeah.
I'm in it. Pickle juice.
Yeah.
Like, I like pickles, but getting it in the straw.
They try to make all these pickle juices now, so you're right on par. Okay, let's see.
Am I in it?
Let's see.
I feel. Getting it after the pickle's weird. Okay. This is Coke Zero Vanilla.
Yes.
Okay. The cans went on all weird. I can still taste that pickle. Don't know why.
Pickle soda.
What's a Coke Zero? Is it the cherry one? Cherry vanilla? Or cherry?
It is the cherry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ew!
What is it?
I ain't drinking that again. It tastes like pickles, but it ain't pickles. It's like vinegary, but it's more than vinegar. I'm gonna have like such bad burps after this. It's nasty.
Ugh.
The aftertaste is even worse.
Okay, what is it?
Something vinegary. What do we have in the fridge that's vinegary? It's not a sauce because it's olives. I don't think olive juice tastes like that.
No.
Maybe. There's some damn pickled onions in there.
Yeah.
That's nasty.
10 out of 10.